Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, students? Hope you are fine. Welcome back in your islamiat class. Students, we were discussing life of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Mecca. And as you know, we have discussed the early childhood of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his marriage with Khadija, and about their daughters and sons, and about the rebuilding of Kaaba. Students, when Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was 35, the Quraysh started rebuilding the Kaaba, and each tribe was responsible for building a part of the Kaaba, and the work went on consistently. But when time came to put the black stone in its place, a dispute broke out, and every tribe wanted to have the honor of placing the black stone in its place. The situation became very tense, and then Abu Umayyah put forward an idea. And what was the idea? Let the first man to enter the gate of Masjid al-Haram will decide the matter. And this suggestion was accepted by all. So students, now we will start our today lesson. And next morning, the first person to enter the precinct of the Kaaba was Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Students, precinct mean boundary of the Kaaba. So people shouted in chorus. Chorus mean collectively. This is Al-Amin, the trustworthy, who has come. When he approached to them, he was asked to decide the matter. He said to them, "Give me a clock." Clock mean cloth, piece of cloth. When they brought him a clock, he spread it on the ground, placed the black stone on it, and told the leaders of each tribe to hold on to one edge mean corner of the clock, and lift the black stone to its place. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam placed it in the corner of the Kaaba. Thus, an explosive situation was resolved peacefully by the wisdom and foresight of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Students, foresight mean the ability to predict what will happen. As Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam grew older, he felt disturbed by the corrupt society around him. He could not believe in the polytheistic ideas of the Meccans, because students, people of Mecca used to worship many gods. He used to think about Allah and the true religion of his forefathers Ibrahim and Ismail alayhi salam. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to retreat in seclusion and solitude to the cave of Hira in a mountain called Jabal an-Nur. Students, retreat mean escape, withdraw. Okay, retreat mean escape, draw back, withdraw, and seclusion mean away from people. So Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to draw back, used to go away from people in Ghar Hira, in cave of Hira. And what does solitude mean? State of being alone. To the cave of Hira. And as you know that Jabal Noor is in Mecca and Ghar Hira is in Jabal Noor. He passed time in meditation and devotion in this cave. What does meditation mean? To focus the mind on one thought. Meditation means to focus the mind on one thought. At the age of 40 years, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in the cave of Hira during the month of Ramadan. One night, Allah sent the angel Jibril alayhi salam to him. Jibril came close to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, "Recite, Ikrah. I know not how to recite." Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied. Jibril pressed Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam body and said again, "Recite." Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave him the same reply. What was the reply of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? I know not how to recite. Jibril pressed him more tightly and then released him, saying, "Ikrah bismi rabbika allazi khalaq. خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم." Translation: Recite in the name of your Lord, who created man from a clot. Recite, and your Lord is most generous, who taught man with the pen. He taught man what he knew not. Students, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam repeated the verse after Jibreel, and these were the first verses revealed of the Quran. So these 5 verses of Surah Alaq was firstly revealed. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was terrified. Terrified means he was scared. He looked at the sky and was surprised to see he saw angel Jibreel in human form. The angel said, "Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you are the messenger of Allah, and I am Jibreel." Whenever he looked up, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw Jibreel in the distance. He stood still until Jibreel disappeared. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam rushed home in panic. When he arrived home, he was trembling and very cold. He said, "Cover me, cover me, zammiluni, zammiluni, cover me, to Khadija." And Khadija covered him with a blanket. After a while, he became calm and told Khadija what had happened.